video, I'm going to walk you through a quick tour of the members area for Sendiio, which is the first and only autoresponder that combines the power of email, the power of Facebook, and the power of SMS text message marketing under one central dashboard with 0 monthly fees. Okay, again, this is going to be a quick tour, but if you want more in-depth demo videos of each part of Sendiio, we're going to have all of that broken down on the sales page. And you can find the sales page by clicking the link that's going to be right below this video. But before you do that, let me take you through this quick tour. Let me talk about the awesome bonuses that we're going to be offering and the special offer that you're going to get by joining during our charter members opening. Okay, so just a quick tour here. As you can see, Sendiio is a web-based app, and again, the first and only autoresponder that combines the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger with 0 monthly fees. Here on the top, as soon as you log in, we have some quick actions that you can perform by purchasing your charter members access. You're going to be able to add an unlimited number of email lists, an unlimited number of phone lists. You're going to be able to add an import an unlimited number of emails to add to those different email lists. You're going to be able to import an unlimited number of phone numbers to add to those phone lists. You're going to be able to connect an unlimited amount of fan pages as well to automate all of your fan page needs. You're going to be able to create unlimited email broadcasts, unlimited email sequences, unlimited phone broadcasts, unlimited phone sequences, unlimited Facebook broadcasts, unlimited Facebook sequences, and Twitter here is going to be one of the bonuses that I'm going to be mentioning. But not only that, you're also going to be able to automate all of your Facebook chat bot needs. Okay, Sendiio comes built in with absolutely everything that you need to monetize and generate leads from your Facebook fan pages with our Facebook feature. Okay, so if I come over here to the left hand side, let me quickly show you what we have when it comes to Facebook. So if I go to my Facebook pages, and again, you'll be able to connect an unlimited number of Facebook fan pages. And here, this is just a handful of the features that you're going to be able to do. You're going to be able to add an automatic welcome message to be sent to everyone that messages your fan pages. You're going to be able to create an unlimited number of chatbot replies. So if anyone messages your fan page and mentions certain keywords that you input here, as soon as those keywords are triggered, Sendiio is going to automatically reply to those people if those keywords that you input here are mentioned. So if someone messages your fan page and mentions the word coupon, and you have coupon in here as a trigger word, boom, that's going to trigger that automatic reply that you sent. Same with comment auto reply. So if you have public posts out there on your Facebook feed and someone mentions a trigger keyword, it's going to trigger the automatic reply that you set up in here. Okay, you'll be able to set up unlimited number of chatbot replies and an unlimited number of comment auto replies. Same with email. Okay, once you add all your emails, you can come in here and completely style your email however you want. Save it as a template, load from a previous template. You can run the campaign immediately, and we have a very powerful feature here that's going to be one of our upgrade offers, where Sendiio will automatically resend your campaign to those who did not open your morning email. Sendiio will allow you to automatically resend to your unopened without you having to do anything extra but fill out these 3 options here. Activate what we're calling our Sendiio booster, which again, this is upgrade number 4, so make sure you check that out. And you'll be able to fill these out, which tells Sendiio to resend to your unopens however many hours after you want. And you can also send a different subject line. So this allows you to send as many email broadcasts as you want. And again, you can add unlimited emails lists. You can import an unlimited number of emails to those lists and send an unlimited number of email broadcasts. Same with sequences. Okay, you can come in here and add an unlimited number of email sequences to be sent to your different email list. Now we have a very powerful option here, which allows you to send this sequence to your existing list emails, or to send it just to your new emails that get added to that list. Because if you have some older subscribers in here, and it's going to look weird if they start receiving some sequences that are meant for new subscribers, it's just going to confuse them. So you have that option to choose which subscribers these sequences get sent to. But again, you can come in here and fill all this information out, and then you click add another email, and you can just start creating a bunch of email sequences up in here by just continuing to fill it out, add another email, and just like that, I added 3 email sequences, and you have full control of how these email sequences are sent. Okay, you can choose how many days in between each email that the next one is sent. You can choose to have them sent on specific days and at specific times during those days. Okay, so very powerful email marketing features there. Same goes with SMS. Okay, once you have your phone numbers imported into Sendiio, you can start sending SMS text broadcasts to those subscribers. Okay, and here you can see exactly how that's done. You just name your campaign name, you select the list that you want to send to. You can send to just one or multiple, enter your content, and same thing, you can run this campaign immediately or schedule it for the future. And when it comes to your SMS follow-up sequences, the same thing applies. You can come in here and do the very same thing I did when setting up an email follow-up sequence. You enter your content, enter the name, select the list that you want for this to be sent to, and then quickly add another SMS. So right there with one click, I added 2 SMS follow-up sequences, and the same schedule features show up here as well. You can send them on specific days of the week at specific times of those days, and set how many intervals, how many days per message passes before the next one is sent. Okay, same thing when it comes to the Facebook automation process. Okay, you'll be able to set up an unlimited number of Facebook sequences and send an unlimited number of Facebook broadcasts as well. Okay, so again, Sendiio is the first and only autoresponder that combines the power of email, text, and Facebook marketing under one central dashboard with 0 monthly fees. So that's just a quick tour of the members area. And real quick, before I talk about the bonuses, we have full step-by-step tutorials on every section of Sendiio so that you can easily and quickly get in here and get set up and start sending campaigns. Okay, so we have absolutely every part of Sendiio covered. And now that I've given you a quick tour of Sendiio, let's quickly talk about the bonuses, okay? Because you're really gonna love these. These are some limited time bonuses that you're only gonna get during this charter members discount. Okay, the first thing is that we're gonna be including agency access on the front end for a very limited time, okay? So this is gonna allow you to offer 3 awesome services to your clients and be able to keep 100% of the profit, okay? So you will be the only agency that now offers your clients the services of email, text, and Facebook Messenger marketing, okay? 3 of the hottest services that you can offer, okay? And most local businesses, they already have some kind of database for their customers or their clients, and they just don't know what to do with it, okay? So now with agency access, you can start offering those services and start squeezing out additional profit for your clients by implementing those 3 different services, okay? Emailing their clients, text messaging their clients, and connecting with them on Facebook as well. Okay, another powerful update that you're going to be getting is our Twitter autoresponder update. Okay, this is going to be added over the next 30 to 45 days, and we can easily charge $97 per month for that alone. Okay, and you're going to be also able to automate Twitter with Sendiio as well. Another powerful bonus that we're throwing in here as well is our ringless voicemail drops update. Okay, so not only are you going to be able to send text messages to your target customers, but now you're also going to be able to send ringless voicemail drops, which again sends a voicemail directly to your subscriber's mobile phone. And there's nothing more powerful than being able to reach your customers in the most addictive device that they have on them, which is their mobile phone. We're also going to be doing a live 90-minute training session. We're going to walk you through exactly how Sendiio works and make sure that you get up and running as quickly as possible. And last, bonus number 5 is you're going to be unlocking a 20% discount code for joining during our Charter Members Week that you'll be able to use for any one of our upgrade offers, okay? And the upgrade offers are going to be explained on the sales page at the frequently asked questions section at the bottom. So make sure you take a look at those because you're going to be unlocking a 20% discount code to be used on any one of those. But that is it. That is Sendiio in a nutshell. That is our bonuses in a nutshell. Make sure that you lock this in. We're going live on February 21st at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And again, Sendiio is the first and only autoresponder that allows you to profit from the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger under one central dashboard with 0 monthly fees. But you're also locking in Twitter, and you're also locking in our ringless voicemail drops, okay? So make sure you lock this in. This is easily the best autoresponder you will ever get your hands on. And for this Charter Members Week, you're going to be able to get it for a crazy discount. So click the link below, check out these bonuses. If you have to read into it some more, check out the in-depth demo videos that we have on the sales page. And I look forward to seeing you in the members area.